Bad breath. Bad breath. My mouth smells bad. Toothache. Toothache. My tooth hurts today. Extraction. Extraction. The dentist took out my tooth. Sensitive teeth. Sensitive teeth. Cold water hurts my teeth. Crooked teeth. Crooked teeth. My teeth are not straight. Gums. Gums. My gums are bleeding. Swollen gums. Swollen gums. My gums are big and red. Cavity. Cavity. There is a cavity in my tooth. Wisdom tooth. Wisdom tooth. My wisdom tooth is growing. Loose tooth. Loose tooth. My front tooth is loose. Filling. Filling. The dentist fixed my tooth with a filling. Teeth cleaning. Teeth cleaning. The dentist cleaned my teeth today. Floss. Floss. I use floss to clean my teeth. Plaque. Plaque. Plaque makes my teeth dirty. Dentist. Dentist. The dentist looks at my teeth. Brush. Brush. I brush my teeth in the morning. Dentures. Dentures. My grandma wears dentures. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. I rinse my mouth with mouthwash. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. I use 2 soft toothbrush every day. Braces. Braces. Braces make my teeth straight. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. Molar. Molar. My molars help me chew food. Implant. Implant. I got an implant for my missing tooth.